Is it time to buy or sell Ishares Bitcoin Trust ETF? In this video, we will explore Ishares Bitcoin Trust in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 18th of December, 2024, and now we aim to provide you with a more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You won't want to miss any critical updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched artificial intelligence stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the capabilities of AI and receive complimentary price predictions and in-depth analyses for any one of 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please remember that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be construed as financial advice. Since the 14th of October, 2024, our system has categorized Ishares Bitcoin Trust as a hold or accumulate, assigning it a score of -0.69. Now, let's examine the ETF's performance during this time frame. Throughout this period, the ETF has exceeded our expectations, achieving a gain of 52.2% since we initially suggested purchasing Ishares Bitcoin Trust 47 days ago. This results in an average return of 1.11% per day since it was designated as hold or accumulate. The exchange-traded fund is currently positioned within a robust and upward trend in the short term, indicating the likelihood of further increases. Analyzing the current 3-month trend reveals a potential change of approximately 86.33% over the next 3 months, with expected returns ranging from 70.09% to 99.36%. Looking at the 12-month trend, it suggests a change of around 40.64% over the coming year, with potential returns varying from -12.02% to 49.56%. This equates to a projected price range from $50.31 to $85.52 after a year. Our latest daily update for Ishares Bitcoin Trust reveals that the ETF price experienced a decline of more than 5.85% on Wednesday, closing at $57.18. Specifically, the Ishares Bitcoin Trust ETF price dropped by 5.85% on the last trading day, which was Wednesday, the 18th of December, 2024, falling from $60.73 to $57.18. During this trading day, the ETF saw fluctuations of 5.22%, with a low of $56.82 and a high of $59.79. In the past 10 days, the price has increased on 6 occasions and has risen by 1.35% over the last 2 weeks. Trading volume surged by 18 million shares on the last day, despite the falling prices, which could serve as an early warning that risks may slightly increase in the coming days. In total, 67 million shares changed hands, amounting to approximately $3.82 billion. Looking back over the past 52 weeks, the highest price for the ETF was $61.75, while the lowest price was $22.02. Currently, the price stands 7.4%, or $4.57, below the 52-week high of $61.75, which also marks the all-time high for the ETF. Bitcoin has recently surged past $106,000, and predictions from industry leaders suggest that it could reach $200,000 by 2025, largely influenced by upcoming political developments. Sid Powell, CEO of Maple Finance, emphasizes that recent trends and potential regulatory shifts under President-elect Trump's administration could significantly impact Bitcoin's value. This kind of bullish sentiment can attract both retail and institutional investors, potentially driving IBIT stock price higher in the short term as market optimism grows. Moreover, Bitcoin is increasingly recognized as a digital gold, a narrative supported by influential figures like Fed Chair Jerome Powell and billionaire investors. This acknowledgement could encourage more significant inflows into Bitcoin-focused exchange-traded funds, such as the ARC-21 Shares Bitcoin ETF, providing a simpler investment vehicle for newcomers to the crypto market. Exchange-traded funds, in general, have seen substantial capital inflows, totaling $35 billion last week, indicating a growing trend among investors toward diversified and innovative asset classes. As digital assets garner more attention, IBIT's positioning in this sector could lead to robust long-term growth. The increasing popularity of Bitcoin and positive market forecasts suggest that IBIT is well-positioned to benefit from both immediate trading momentum and sustained interest in cryptocurrency, making it a key player to watch in the evolving landscape of digital finance. The following signals have been identified for Ishares Bitcoin Trust. The Ishares Bitcoin Trust exchange-traded fund holds a sell signal from the short-term moving average. However, there is a buy signal from the long-term average. Since the short-term average is above the long-term average, there is an overall buy signal for the exchange-traded fund, indicating a positive forecast. If the exchange-traded fund continues to gain, it will encounter resistance from the short-term moving average at approximately $57.94. Conversely, if it declines, there will be support from the long-term average at roughly $51.68. A breakout above the short-term average will trigger a buy signal, while a breakdown below the long-term average will trigger a sell signal. Some negative signals have also been issued, which may impact the near-term development. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Tuesday, December 17, 2024, and thus far, it has declined by 5.85%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Additionally, there is a current sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence. Yesterday, volume increased amidst falling prices, which may serve as an early warning, suggesting that the exchange-traded fund should be monitored more closely. Here are some additional signals that may pique your interest. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots have shown a sell signal 2 days ago. Bollinger signals a buy opportunity from 2 days ago. The short-term moving average also gave a sell signal 2 days ago. The long-term moving average indicated a sell signal 50 days ago. Examining the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average provided a buy signal 49 days ago. The long-term moving average also indicated a buy signal 49 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages showed a buy signal 47 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Let's discuss the support, risk, and stop-loss for Ishares Bitcoin Trust. On the downside, this exchange-traded fund finds support just below the current level from accumulated volume at $52.13 and $51.04. There is an inherent risk when an ETF tests a support level. If this support is breached, the ETF may drop to the next support level. In this instance, Ishares Bitcoin Trust has support just below the current level at $52.13. If this level fails, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $51.04 and $43.40. This ETF typically experiences average movements during the day, and with solid trading volume, the risk is regarded as medium. Over the past day, the ETF fluctuated by $2.97 between its high and low, which is roughly 5.22%. In the last week, the ETF has shown a daily average volatility of 3.46%. Now, let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Ishares Bitcoin Trust. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Ishares Bitcoin Trust is at $57.80. If you do not own any shares, it may be prudent to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the exchange-traded fund, this could be a noteworthy level for swing trading considerations. On the downside, Ishares Bitcoin Trust faces its first support level at $52.13. If this support level holds, it could serve as a favorable entry point anticipating a potential rebound. Our recommended stop loss is set at $54.39, reflecting a decrease of 4.88%. This exchange-traded fund experiences moderate daily fluctuations, indicating a medium level of risk. Additionally, there is a sell signal generated from a pivot top identified 1 day ago. Is the Ishares Bitcoin Trust ETF a wise investment choice? The Ishares Bitcoin Trust currently presents several negative indicators, suggesting it may be a candidate for selling. However, given the potential for a turnaround, it could also be viewed as a hold candidate, meaning one might consider holding or accumulating shares while awaiting further developments. Due to some minor weaknesses in the technical outlook, we have adjusted our assessment of this ETF from a strong buy to a hold or accumulate recommendation since our last evaluation. After examining the volatility and movements from the most recent trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Thursday, the 19th of December, we anticipate the Ishares Bitcoin Trust to open at approximately 74 cents lower, starting the day at $57.93. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should consult a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions on StockInvest.us. By using the information provided, you agree to take responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the exchange-traded fund. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.